I don't know. Will these cause a problem? I don't know. They might. These might cause a problem. Yikes. I'm excited these are finally releasing. I'm not sure a resale is going to be. These might cause a problem, man. Challenge! I have a challenge for the Moore family. I need 500 likes on this video. 500 likes. Run up those likes. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. 500 likes on this video, and I will give away a pair of early sneakers. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Trust me, you guys do not want to miss out on this free giveaway. Make sure you guys are a part of it. Hit that like button for me. Join the Moore family. Let's get into this fire video of the Seafoams. Sneakerheads, listen up. I need to tell you guys about Sole Premise. Sole Premise has the best sneaker bags in the game. These bags are high quality and made and designed to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. This is Sole Premise's daily bag that holds up to 2 pairs of sneakers. Sole Premise also has a bigger backpack that holds 5 to 6 pairs. They also make duffel bags, luggage bags, all TSA approved, so you can carry these bags with you on the airplane and do not have to check them in, which is awesome. They have actual compartments to put your sneakers safely in the bag with you when you're traveling. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, your chargers, and a bunch more. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description, check out Sole Premise, and use my code DannyMoore at checkout. That will give you 40% off your entire order. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. This is your last chance to get yourself a pair of lost and found Air Jordan 1s for completely free. To enter this free giveaway, all you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, join the Moore family. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the lost and founds. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Follow Sneaker Ease on Instagram. Our links are down below in the description box. And then DM me proof, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys did everything. This is your last and final chance. I'll be picking the winner in my next YouTube video. So please, make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of lost and founds. Good luck. And make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel for free sneaker giveaways. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. So I have to give back to you guys. Hey, please make sure you guys subscribe, join the Moore family. Now let's get into this straight fire video. I am very excited to take a look at this early pair of Air Jordan 4s, the Seafoam 4s. I've been waiting for this release for months now. They're finally releasing on February 9th. Retail is $200. This is a woman's only run, no big extended sizes, all the way only till that 10.5 men's. Anywhere bigger is cut off, which is sad. It's unfortunate because I'm very, very excited for these. I think this is a great pair of looking Air Jordan 4s. I have to give a huge shout out over to Fine Line 1721 for these right here. Make sure you guys check them out. Pop up his Instagram, check out Fine Line. You guys know he's legit, so make sure you guys check him out if you guys need early pairs. I bought these from him, got them on his website. I didn't let him know I was placing the order or anything. I just bought them like a normal customer. So, hey, make sure you guys check out Fine Line, and let's see what we got. The Seafoam 4s, man. This is a sneaker I've been waiting for. Finally got the box open. I am very excited, like I said, for these. I've been waiting for these for a while to release. They're finally dropping. This is a good pair of Jordan 4s. Very nice in pictures. I can't wait to see these in hand right now. So, we have a size 10.5 men, 12 women. I'm excited. We got the normal Jordan 4 box, which is a little disappointing because we've been getting a nice switch up of Jordan 4 boxes, and they're continuing it with the Thunders, so I'm not sure why they didn't do it here, but it is what it is. We got a normal Jordan 4 box. Let's see what we have. I'm excited for these. I am not sure. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway down below in the comments. Are these a cop? Are they a drop? I'm not sure how the community's feeling about them, but I certainly like these. I like them a lot. I think this colorway is fire, straight fire. The Air Jordan 4. Woo, Seafoam. Will these cause problems? We need to talk about that. Will these be a problem? Will these cause problems? Will resell go up? Will these sell out? Let's talk about it. So this is a woman's release, right? A very nice clean colorway. Material soft. It's nice. The olive green really does pop. Fire red 4 colorway, which has a very nice tone to it, just with some green instead of the red hits. I'm here for it. I think it's very nice. Will these be a problem? You guys let me know down below in the comments. In my opinion, yes. It's a Jordan 4. Jordan 4, the hype, the demand is not slowing down. It's only increasing. These will not be reselling for anything too crazy. Retail is $200. I am expecting bigger sizes to be around that $280 to $300 mark. Maybe $260, $270, around there. And eventually creeping up in price. I can see the bigger sizes going up to like $340, taking a little bit of time and definitely increasing. It's a clean pair of Jordan 4s. Now, those smaller sizes will do well as well because this is a Jordan 4 after all. Jordan 4s, in my opinion, have become the new Air Jordan 1 in terms of hype, in terms of resell, the market just switching over from the Jordan 1 over to the Air Jordan 4. This is clean. Clean. They're wearable. That's one thing I really want to stress. This is a very wearable colorway, especially in the fall. With this green, this olive green, it's nice. Oil green, I believe they're calling it. It's nice, it's clean, it's wearable. And at the end of the day, it's the Fire Red 4 color blocking, which we all know and love. It's iconic, it's classic. Just a new switch up here with the colors, and I think these are going to do well. They're going to do well. You do have the nice olive green Jumpman there with the Flight logo. Very, very nice, man. The tongue is thick. It is the thicker Air Jordan 4 tongue like we've been getting, which is nice. And then the black Jumpman there on the insole with all green. Very, very nice, man. Very, very clean. Very nice. Be sure you guys look out for these when they do officially release February 9th. Will these be a problem? Will they cause problems? I think so. I truly think so. It's a Jordan 4, and you guys know Jordan 4s are at their peak, and especially these clean, wearable colorways, they're going to do really well. They will sell out. There are rumors of like 200,000 pairs. The 6 figures, I'm sure that's true. They definitely made a lot, but demand's going to be through the roof like it usually is. They will sell out. Expect a quick sellout, of course, on the sneakers app, but expect future restocks. I am expecting some future restocks down the line of this Air Jordan 4. I don't think this just the release will be it. I think we'll get future restocks and giving more people a chance to cop, whether that be in store, online, and so on and so forth. Just more pairs down the line. But this is a very clean pair of Jordan 4s. Make sure you guys cop them. Cop them. $200. Women's Air Jordan 4. Can't go wrong with the colorway. Remember, guys, if you are a man, you do need to go a size and a half difference. So this 12W is a 10.5 men. Clean Jordan 4. Quality is nice. The leather, very soft on the toe. Just a very nice, clean Jordan 4 at the end of the day. And I'm here for it. They're wearable. And I'm excited for the Air Jordan 4 Seafoam to finally release. Finally. They're dropping, right? Finally. I'm excited for these. And don't forget about the handcraft, the Craft Jordan 4. Be on the lookout. February is going to be a banger month, and they're starting it off right here with the Seafoams. Very nice pair of Air Jordan 4s. Clean, wearable, great full-time shoe. And resell down the line will go up. I think there will be some nice quick profits as well. Very nice Air Jordan 4. I'm here for it, man. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 4 Seafoam down below in the comments. Please make sure you guys smash that like button for me. And do not forget to enter the Lost and Found giveaway. This is your last and final chance. Like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your size. Follow me at Sneakeries on Instagram. Those links are down below in the description box. And then DM me proof on Instagram that you guys did everything. Good luck. Winner getting announced for these next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Seafoam 4s, they're here. Let me know, are they a cop? Are they a drop? If you guys are copping, put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you're passing, please put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's copping the Jordan 4 Seafoam and who's not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.